Hey guys, this is Sam from Kayhan Audio, and today we're going to try to install a 10-inch unit on a Renault Clio 2015. All you have to do is just hold it from the back and you can just pull it. It's just held by clips, and if you take a close look at here, and there is a slight grip here, and the unit comes off from that. As you can see, it's already starting to separate from that. Just give it a try. There you go. So it's just held by 4 clips, and you need to be gentle when you're removing that, and it should come off. The unit itself have 4 T15 torque screws, and you just need a T15. Just try to get a grip underneath the unit and just try to pull it out, and it should slide out. There we go. And it got a few clips at the back. You just have to press this.